Digital marketing is a dynamic and field that encompasses various strategies and techniques to promote products, services, or brands using digital channels. In today's interconnected world where the majority of people spend a significant amount of time online, digital marketing has become essential for businesses to reach and engage their target audience effectively. In this article, we will explore the key aspects of digital marketing and its importance in the modern business landscape. One of the fundamental pillars of digital marketing is having a strong online presence. This involves creating and optimizing a website that serves as a hub for your digital marketing activities. An website can significantly impact your brand's perception and convert visitors into customers. It should provide relevant and engaging content, have intuitive navigation, and be optimized for search engines to drive organic traffic. Search engine optimization (SEO) plays a crucial role in digital marketing by improving the visibility and ranking of your website in search engine results. By optimizing your website structure or content and keywords, you can increase your chances of appearing on the first page of search results, which leads to higher organic traffic and more potential customers. Another powerful digital marketing strategy is PPC advertising, which allows businesses to display ads on search engines and other platforms. With PPC, advertisers only pay when a user